How well do you know your tenants before they move in? Say you rent to a nice young couple. They dress well, are polite. The next thing you know, rent's 2 months behind. And when you go over to check things out, you discover your place has been trashed. Appliances gone, copper wiring ripped out, holes in the wall, burnt old car in the driveway. Hey, is that the remains of a meth lab in the bathroom? But those tenants seemed so nice when they moved in, you think to yourself. But it was all an act. The only thing left to do is start the eviction process. What went wrong, and how could you have avoided this whole mess? Here comes the Renting Authority team to the rescue. Renting Authority has been in the game for a long time, since 2006, and they've helped more than 265,000 independent landlords just like you. Look, that nightmare scenario may never happen to you, but it does happen to plenty of landlords. And there are plenty of other issues that you can have with tenants. Failure to pay rent, breaking the lease agreement, having unauthorized pets, causing damage to the home, dealing drugs, subletting rooms, and filling up the place with shady characters you never knew about. These aren't minor hassles. As a landlord, they mean lost money. The average eviction costs $10,000, including legal fees, repairs, and lost rental income. That's not to mention the time you'll be wasting and the stress of the situation. But with Renting Authority's help, you can avoid it all. And as you'll see in a moment, you can get started today for free. Renting Authority will help you avoid the majority of tenant problems with 2 simple tools. The first is a thorough background check that will screen applicants and find the bad apples. It includes criminal history, a credit report, eviction searches, employment verification so you know their income is what they say it is, and the all-important rental history. Renting Authority will even call past landlords to get the scoop. This is where you'll get the warning signs so you can avoid any tenant that'll be more trouble than they're worth. If your prospective tenant has been evicted, doesn't pay their bills, or has a bunch of arrests on their record, you'll know about it. Your second layer of protection is a rock-solid rental agreement that clearly states the rights and responsibilities of both landlord and tenant, so there are no gray areas or the possibility of dispute. This rental agreement has been fine-tuned over the years to protect you against bad tenants and protect your valuable assets. Renting Authority helps make sure you make money and not lose money. Why not do background and credit checks on your own or draw up your own rental agreements? Convenience and experience. Renting Authority has spent years developing a system for screening tenants and protecting landlords, and they're a one-stop shop. You don't have to worry about keeping track of personal information or taking the time to do the checks yourself. Plus, you don't have to be the one calling landlords and employers and asking awkward personal questions. And the best part? You can get started today for free with Renting Authority's free online rental application, complete with free background and credit checks. It's fully customizable with your letterhead, and it's all online, so all you have to do is email it to prospective tenants. Renting Authority takes care of everything, so the process is hassle-free. Listen, you became a landlord to make money, not lose it. All you want is good tenants who pay on time, who don't damage the property, normal, nice people. And it's easy to get that with Renting Authority. Just sign up below to get your free rental application, including free background and credit check that you can start using immediately.